Okay, so I'm going to be talking about lash mapping, what it is, and why it's so important. Okay, so as you can see, I'm drawing lines on the iPad and I'm writing numbers. So the numbers represent the length that you're using in millimeters. And the reason why there are lines is to separate them into sections. So the 8 means I'm going to be doing 8 millimeters in that section, and 9 means I'm going to be doing 9 millimeters in that section. Okay, so for this part, C curl just means which curl of the lash I'm going to use. C curl is less curled, and there's also D curl, which is more curled up. And there's a bunch of different curls, but those are typically the ones that people go for. And 7D is the dimension of the volume fan that we're going to be using. So there's different types of volume fans, and a 7D means that there's just 7 little lash fibers that are stuck together at the base. And as you can see, I applied another gel pad and I am pulling through the top layer of natural lashes. I do this because I'm using different lengths for each layer, so this just helps separate the lashes for me. And now for that top layer, I'm also going to be sectioning that off, and I'm actually going to be using more lengths, so I'm doing more sections. And again, the numbers represent the lengths that I'm using in millimeters. And for this top layer, I'm doing 0.07 spikes. And 0.07 is how thick the diameter is, and a spike is a closed fan. And this is how pretty the set turned out, and I wouldn't have been able to do it without my lash mapping.